So I've got a parcel. It's come from Fun Bikes and it's quite heavy. I've had to drag it up 2 flights of stairs, made in China. That's all that's on the box. The other side is a label with my address on. I'm not showing that. So let's get it unboxed. Right, so here's your favourite scissors, Kai. I know you like them. Years old, about 10 years old, handles broke, they fell apart a few times, I've fixed them. So anyway, side trekking across the universe. Right, okay, you're wondering what it is. Right, it's a case of pulling it out, removed a few bits of cardboard, and yeah, it's a case of just lifting it out, I think. The V's remove. Right, let's have a look. Well, as you've seen, that was bare effort. As you can see, it's on charge, red light. The port goes in round here, there. Okay, it's charged, finally, a green light. So it took 6 hours last night and 6 hours today, and it's fully charged now. And I've figured it does this, so just have a look. Let me turn the lights off. Right, so as you can see, it's dark. Just got to put this switch on, and there. So it's got front lights. I've got a bit of dust on the lens. Wait on. So it's got front lights there and there, and it's got back red lights there. So how cool's that? Right, this is where I always test my e-scooters. So it's in mode 1. So let's put it in mode 3 and give that a test. This is all fast. Oh, really fast. So this is it on grass. Right, let's try it on dual motors on level 1 first. That actually wheelied then. Right, yeah, quite tame. Right, let's just change that. Right, how do you know if it's on dual? That's how you know it's on dual. Look at it on the grass, where before on the 800 watt motor it was slow. Look at this. My God. Brilliant. Wow. Whoa, that felt too fast. Rapid. Test it on this hill. Oh, easy, easy. Right, this is the test. None of my scooters have made it up here, not even the 1000 watt Viron. So, dual motors, full gear, full power. Let's do it. Whoa, it's wheel spinning. Buzzing, that's awesome. Right, that was it. It was just a quick test ride. Okay, it's now 8:30 and you see me give it a good test ride, tried all the modes, and obviously full power, which is dual motor and gear free. We call it gear, don't know why, but really it's setting free, and yeah, it motors. I reached up to 40k an hour, and that's 24 mile an hour, so that was just on the backfields. Right, okay, this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. It's free bikes and e-scooters. So thanks for watching, and you'll see plenty of this scooter on my channel. I'm going to ride tomorrow in Hotwood, so stay tuned.